Hello, welcome to this video of the Audi TT. This is the 2-litre TFSI 2-litre petrol turbo charged quattro 4-wheel drive. This is a March 2016 reg. Obviously this one is a category S, meaning it is being involved in an insurance claim and it's been previously paid out in full by an insurance company due to the damage. So the damage was on the passenger side, which we have got photos of, but we can't display them on any public platform of copyright because the company that hold the photos want you to pay for them. Okay, so if you private message us, we will show you send you the photos in private. Okay, so let's go with the condition of the vehicle. Let's start where it was damaged. So it's a door, it's a replacement door, the rear quarter, which is part of the structure of the vehicle. That's why it's a category S, S meaning structure. Structural damage means this piece here. Why that's a structure? Because that panel there cannot be purchased and unbolted and bolted on and off. So that's part of the shell, the structure. So that has been repaired. So this area here has been repaired by the body shop. Go really close up so you can see and open the door. Okay, so let's work around this car. All the alloy wheels are in tidy condition, all the tyres have got good tread, and they're all matching Yokohama tyres as well. It's got the reverse parking sensors, as you can see there, the twin exhaust there, all the lights are really clean. The rear spoiler obviously is an automatic one which you can lift on the switch inside the cockpit. Rear glass is nice and clean. Aluminium TT cap. So look in there, look inside there, that's all normal. Brake discs are in good condition. Obviously the pads are nice and chunky. Wing mirrors are actually a metallic black as well, so the wing mirror caps are a metallic black. You can see the metallic in there. There's no sun out today, unfortunately. But this is a metallic red as well, so it's not a solid red, it is metallic. So there are some little speckly metallic bits in the paintwork. That's the alloy wheel, front disc, pads down there. The outside is pretty clean, it's very clean to be fair. Obviously it is in 22,000 mile condition, the outside. It's very clean. The screen's very clean as well. Original Audi windscreen. You've got original Audi windscreen there. It has got the rain and light sensor and the lane assistance as well, or the driving assistance, should we say. Driving assistance. Oh, I have just spotted a minor surface chip just there. Wait a minute. Right in the middle of the screen there. Oh, there we go. That's a surface chip, so I have spotted one. Okay, all these areas are nice and clean. The roof's immaculate as well. All nice and clean. So, let's go to the rear. The rear there, all nice and clean. All the plastics are there. Nothing's been touched on this area at all. It's all nice and clean. The shelves are here, the parcel shelves. So we've got the 2 shelves there, split fold rear seats. Under here, got the battery area. Got the first aid kit and the jack and brace, compressor and tyre foam. So there's no spare wheel with this vehicle. It's the tyre foam option. And all up here as well, it's nice and clean. It's got the LED number plate lights. Down this side, that door's very clean. There's a little indentation mark just there, which I must make you aware of. A very small one. All the speaker grills are nice and clean and tidy. Heated front seats, so that's where the heated front seat button is on these. All the dashboard's nice and clean. The airbags were not deployed, by the way, in the accident. So when this had the accident, the airbags were not deployed. The airbags are intact. It's got the lumbar support, electronic lumbar support for the passenger seat. Half leather seats, half leather and Alcantara. So that's the suede Alcantara there. Got a little indentation on that seat there. And also I've spotted this as well on the seat, just there in the middle of the screen. Just there, little indentation on the leather there. Embossed S-Line logo. If we pull this leather cord here, that brings the seat back forward, should we say. The back seats are very clean, nothing out of the ordinary at all there. Got the Isofix anchoring points for the babies. That's all nice and clean. The carpet's nice and clean. Let me just move the seat forward a bit more. There we go, it's all nice and clean. Back of that seat's very clean. And the door closes nicely as well. Driver's door. It's the Alcantara suede door card. Electric heated wing mirrors, electric windows of course, brushed aluminium effect garnish. A little bit of oxidisation going on there on that garnish just there, which I must make you aware of. So they do that, obviously moisture or water's got underneath the lacquer on there, and it does happen. Okay, the foot pedals are aluminium. Move this carpet, it's all nice and clean down there as well. Nothing out of the ordinary. Automatic lights, TT logo to the side there as well. All this area is nice and clean. S-Line kick plates, same again, electric lumbar support, height adjustment for both front seats, and there's your back rest. This area here is all nice and clean. There's no trap seat belt marks on this one at all. Very clean. And the seat, same again, it's got the embossed logo. That bolster, very good condition. And the seat there doesn't smell of smoke, doesn't smell of dogs. So that's good to know. Back seats, this side, this view, all very clean. slight marking on the back of this seat from something. So on that plastic there, just very slight, must make you aware, just in case you are expecting a brand new vehicle. It is 8 years old at this time of this video. So yeah, it's 2024, 2016, so it's 8 years old, but very low mileage. Okay, that cockpit, a very nice place to be. Just going to step inside it now. This is a timing chain engine as well, the 2 litre TFSI. So the climate control are on the vents there, rear heated rear screen, etc. You've got your parking sensors on and off, the spoiler adjustment up and down, traction control, stop start and select drive. Press the select drive, it should show on here. Yep, you've got the individual, dynamic, etc. So you've got all that there, efficiency, economy, and obviously the sat nav flashes back on. S Tronic, gearbox, push button, stop start, of course. And then here we have got the there we go, there's a coin in there, you can see that, the USB and aux port there, that all works there. A little bit of same again there, little bit of reaction there on the garnish trim there around that volume switch for the stereo. So you know that can't be helped, that is the age related problem with these. A little tiny bit there as well where it's oxidized and it's got under the lacquer of there. All this is nice and clean. So it has got auto hold assist as well, this one. Electronic parking brake, drinks holder there, that's your cubby hole for the key to sit in. Then you've got some bit of a coin tray there, another 12 volt there as well. And then you've also got here a little button underneath there, which is for the auto dimming rear view mirror. Black roof lining. It has got illuminated vanity mirrors. Yep, illuminated vanity mirrors as well. Both, is it both? Yep, the driver's one has got one as well, so that's illuminated vanity mirror as well. Right, okay, so what else have we got? Let's look under the bonnet. Very quiet engine, by the way. The timing chain engine, TFSI. Show you all down this area here as well, so that's what you want to see. So originally registered from Sytner in Hull. No, not Hull, Huddersfield, sorry, not Hull, HD. That's Huddersfield. Sytner Audi in Huddersfield. S-line badging there as well. So if you've got any more questions, please let us know and we'll be happy to answer them. If you want any further videos, then please let us know. Finance, we can finance this on a personal loan, so the best thing to do is to apply online, maybe at Tesco loans or Sainsbury's loans on this particular vehicle, because it's a category S. Only the personal loan will work on these, and it also comes with a 1 year warranty. This has got a 1 year warranty package. So it's got a 1 year warranty package with a warranty company as well. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon. Thank you.